don't know how successful we're going to be going up onto the top deck, because it's got a fat front tyre and it's running on 3 cylinders. Try not to fall off the edge because it's a little bit high. I don't know why. I suspect that the 7.5 ton weight limit that Garmin don't like is trying to send me right the way for a housing estate, which I'm not keen on. Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the Scania once again. So yeah, we're on day 2 now of the Scania. It's still not permanent, so don't get your hopes up. Just making the most of it, getting some practice in, and yeah, enjoying it. So the first day was a challenge. Obviously I've not really driven it since my my training, so it was nice to be able to sort of re-familiarise myself again, and hopefully today will be much easier. We've got smaller cars today, we've only got 5 of them, so although we're going to be covering a lot of distance, we're going to be covering Oxford and Reading area, so yeah, we're going to be covering a lot of distance today, but hopefully we should be okay. Anyway, looking forward to getting on the road, looking forward to picking up our first car. Hope you all are very, very well. Thank you to everybody who's contributing to the channel. It's making a massive difference. It's hugely helping me out. And I just hope that you're enjoying these vlogs. Let me know in the comments if there's anything more that you want to see, anything less you want to see, if you don't think I'm covering anything in enough detail. So yeah. That's where we are, that's what we're doing, that's where we're going. Our first car, like I said, we've got small cars today. Our first car is a Vauxhall Corsa. So, let me just find my paperwork. I'll let you know our collection list. So, we've got Ford Mondeo, Kia Picanto, Toyota Corolla, Vauxhall, no, not a Vauxhall, no, Volkswagen Polo. Oh, now we've got Vauxhall Corsa. So yeah, 5 cars, the biggest being a Mondeo, so, and like I said, Oxford and Reading area, so yeah. But this is so nice. I could definitely get used to this. It's harder work, definitely harder work than a 4 car, but the adjustment in the steering wheel, the suspension, oh, it's lovely. The infotainment system, the climate control, it's just, oh, yeah. It's definitely definitely a bit more enjoyable than on the Renault, if harder work. Right then, we're gonna get going, and I'll speak to you in a minute.
I don't wanna feel this good just cause you called last night. I'm not that girl. I don't wanna dress up for you and be a toy. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm bored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride. No one does it better. Put your feelings aside, throw yourself out in the night. Let's ride. Let's ride. Break out of your shell, meet me halfway. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. Make a mess, be a man. If it's hard, pretend. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl.
Okay, first collection. Let's drop the suspension and have some PTO on. We're at a place called Kidlington. There must be an airfield close by because lots of jets taking off. Yeah, Kidlington near Oxford. We've got our Vauxhall Corsa. Yep, let's drop our suspension down. don't know how successful we're going to be getting up onto the top deck because it's got a fat front tyre and it's running on 3 cylinders. Let's get rid of our number plate. Lever's slightly different on this one today. Let's get our spec down. There we go. Beaver tail extension out. Set our ramp up now. See how that looks. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. See if we can get our car up there without going over the edge. You lot won't be able to see a lot from where you are, but I can assure you it's not a nice view anyway. Get a bit of a run up. Right, there we go. We're up high. Smells a little bit clutch. I might use a little bit too much clutch getting up there, but we're up nonetheless, so that's all that matters. Try not to fall off the edge because it's a little bit high. There we go. Right, let's get some straps on. Let's just get that deck down. There we go. Climb up the windscreen. Come on, one more. Oh, there we go. 2 more. Do the same with this one. Nice and tight. Let's have a safety chain on first. Last resort chain. And the chassis. and back on there again. A view on the lower arm. There we go, that's tight enough. Plenty tight enough. All right. Spec up. There we go. Number plate out. Hiya. Yeah, happy with that. On to the next one. Right then guys, we are loaded, we're all done, we're ready to go. Try and back out of this cul-de-sac now. Mercedes coming round me. Hope you don't mind being sat there. I think it might be a bit better than the chest mount whilst I'm driving, although I've not had a chance to review any of it yet. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't wobble around too much and you're quite stable there, fingers crossed. Our next one now is about, I think this might be a little bit awkward to get out of, you know. I've got cars on my right hand side, so I've got tail swing to worry about, and I've got a car just there. We shall see. See if we can get the flick to work just enough for us. So we've missed the Mercedes. And we've missed the car down our left. Both sat navs are pointing in the wrong direction. Which way do you want me to go, sat navs? Left. So both sat navs are trying to send me different ways to the next job. I don't know why. I suspect there's a 7.5 ton weight limit that Garmin doesn't like, so it's trying to send me right the way through a housing estate, which I'm not keen on. TomTom's just going to send me straight through it. Straight through the 7.5 ton limit, so we're going to see what happens closer by, assess the roads and decide which way we're going to go. Bus trying to come in where I'm coming out of. There we go. That first one wasn't too bad. Managed to drive it up there. I didn't think it was going to go up there with 3 cylinders and a flat tyre. I thought it was just going to spin and lose traction or keep stalling, but we got it up there. We've got our Polo. Non-runner, unfortunately. You can't win them all, can you? Morning. Car's buried in a tree up there. All right. Right, let's get the little Polo up in the air. I think that's probably going to be close enough. Strap. Deck's all good. Right, see if we can find our next one. Okay. We got to try and find our way back out of here again now. our next one, which is a Fiat Picanto. I think I'm going to turn around because this doesn't look very friendly down there. Provided that junction isn't too tight, shouldn't be. Swipe anything on the way out. Yeah, we're all good. Yeah, it's jobs like that which are so time consuming when obviously we couldn't get anybody to answer the door, and then yeah, it wouldn't run, winch it all the way up. I think we were there for about 45 minutes in total. That with the fact that I'm slow at everything because, come on through. Because I've only been doing it a couple of days with this truck. So actually in a 7.5 ton weight limit. Sat nav telling me otherwise, but this way is quicker. Trees. Lovely trees. And left again. We made it to our little Picanto, and she's a runner. Let's give her a bit of a jump start with a battery pack, and up she fired. So, fingers crossed, drive on. That's the plan anyway. Right, let's get the truck set up. I haven't dropped the suspension, turned the PTO on yet. I'd better do that. Yeah. God, far too many steps. Suspension's going down. Right. Now we can set the truck up. Let's see if we can get you up in the air. You've got a nice easy bit of rampage to go. hopefully the handbrake will hold. No. Nope. Yep. Alright, come on then. Up we go for the second time today. With these 4-car transporters, with these Scanias, cars seem to run a lot less. With the 4-car, most of them tend to run. Next one, Ford Mondeo Reading. It's about an hour away, so we're going to be there at 1:45. Right. Just going to indicate out, let everyone know that we're coming out, that we need to turn around. Oh, it's a Golf coming now. We are out. Right, level off suspension, hazards. Remember to put your seatbelt on. So much to think about. Right, left. So we're going a different way than we come in. So yeah, I said Ford Mondeo. Don't quite know where this is taking us. Getting the hang of this rear steer now. It's so handy. It allows you to turn so much tighter. Oh, it's warm. I think it's taking us back out on the A34. We're still at 15.6, I think our height is. So it's not too bad. Okay, beautiful people. Update is Mondeo's already been sold to somebody else. So we're not taking that one. Yeah, it's nice of them to let us know. I phoned them when I was on my way down here and they wouldn't answer the phone. I left them a voicemail, they didn't call me back. Problem being is I can't go any further because there's a width limit, so I've got to turn around. cars pulling in behind me. Yeah, you cross in front of me, don't you worry. Thank you. Well, that dealt with that one. Caused a little bit of havoc, but we got round. I like causing havoc. Oh, thank you, kind sir. You are a diamond. Right, so we're on our way to our last car now, Toyota Corolla. It's about half an hour away. I think this is going to take us through the centre of Reading. So yeah, not the end of the world.
Break out of your shell, meet me halfway. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. Make a mess, be a man. If it's hard, pretend. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You should know. I don't give in till I'm floored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride. No one does it better. Put your feelings aside, throw yourself out in the night. Let's ride. Let's ride. I don't wanna be like you. I don't wanna do the things you do. Come this way and ride with me.
And half an hour later, we are at our final collection. I was going to flick the number plate away then, but we don't have to do that. Just have to get these cars up high. We've got our little Corolla underneath. Here we go. Here we get the ramp out. Dee 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 dee. Need to put the spec down. Now put the ramp down. That's it. Good to go. Good to go. These Toyotas are fantastic. Brilliant little cars. They go on forever, and if it wasn't for the tech, they do feel new inside as well. Like, the gearbox is so tight, the steering's so tight. Toyota really do know how to make a car. That'll do nicely. Nice and simple. Let's just strap it down now. It's nice to know that a Toyota Corolla will fit on the kicker as well. Yeah, loads of room at the front. Right, we need to get some straps out. One. Two. Three. Four. Good enough. Still tight. I think we're all good. Just going to check the front ones. Tight. Everything is hunky-dory. Try and find a way out now. Right, let's get on. Well, that's all our cars loaded today. All we can do is enjoy the drive back. Right. Tally ho! Apparently we can get out this way. Sat nav is saying that I can get out this way. This comes out on a B road, so fingers crossed we'll be alright. So yeah, we're due back at the yard at 4 o'clock. We have 3 hours of drive time remaining until we would need another break. But it's 2 hours back to the yard, so we should be fine. So yeah, nice chilled out drive back now. Got a bit of food, I got some drink. Oh, bless.
Break out of your shell, meet me halfway. I'm not that girl, I'm not that girl. Make a mess, be a man, if it's hard, pretend. I'm not that girl, no, I'm not that girl. You should know I don't give in till I'm floored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride.
There we go, back at the yard, done and dusted. Another day in the Scania. Now I'm getting used to it. I'm starting to enjoy this now. It's yeah, now I'm starting to get to grips with it all. It's yeah, starting to enjoy driving it now. I know that once I do get the hang of it, I'll be back in the Renault again, but that's a shame. But you know, never mind. Nice easy day today. What did we get? We had 5 cars, we brought 4 back. The lads in the yard were asking where I left the rest of them, and I said I think I left them on the M3. But yeah, yeah, good day. So, Salvage Squad, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit the notification button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for plenty more videos just like this, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers!